Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to show you how we can have hex tiles drawing in our Unity project as a terrain or surfaces which we wanna play with. Okay. Uh, First of all, we should take a look at this project which Rory Dungan released 7 years ago. It's called Hextiles. As you can see, you can draw and make these kind of meshes, objects dynamically in Unity, exactly like train system in of Unity, but with a better way. First, you should download the whole source project, but drag and drop assets folder into your project folder. And after that, as you can see, I already did it. Unity Hextile has a code example and content, and it's the prefab of the whole project. And here in the example scene, as you can see, it is something like this with a different height and different textures. Okay, let's take a look at the solution which we can make it quickly. Okay, first of all, we should see we have just these materials. Okay, inside the material content. Right, let's disable this guy. Okay, now let's make hex tile map. Okay, in here we have hex tile map here. We have select, paint tiles, material paint, delete, and settings. For expanding this tile, we should click on this guy, paint tile. In here we have to first drag and drop our material we wanna draw with. For example, I wanna have just simple ground, sand ground, for example. And my brush size gonna be, for example, 5 tiles at the same time. It will be 5 times bigger than one. Look at this. And in here we said, okay, paint height is gonna be 0. Okay. Now let's draw. Excellent. Okay. Now I wanna have somewhere higher than this ground and gonna be a little bit green. Set here and change the brush size to 2 and change the height to 1 and 3, something like this. Look at this. Beautiful. As you can see, the material is just a simple texture which has two parts for these wall and the surface of the mesh. And in here, we just drawing. And if I change the offset then to the 2, it will be different. I know, sorry. It will be like this. Look at this. Beautiful. Okay. If I want to change the current meshes, surfaces, with a different color, in fact, repaint all of these meshes, I just need to drag and drop my target color, for example, green, into here and the brush size. Look at this. I'm repainting these current surfaces or adding, no, sorry, sand 1 to here, something like this. And here we can remove. In here, look at, see, we have just these meshes which I've made, and they have mesh collider as well, so you can play and you can put your character above of these objects. And at the last part we can see it has show tile positions. You can understand which tile is where, And also you can change the tile size or whatever you want. Look at this. It will be 3 times bigger than the previous one. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Uh, don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR, and have a great time.